Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this episode, I'm going to give you guys my next home run stock. Now I'm going to change it up just a little bit because every time I give you guys a home run stock, it always have to do with a technology company. So it got me to thinking my portfolio is full of technology companies and it's time for me to diversify just a little bit. So the company I'm going to give you guys in this video that has the potential to double in the next year, maybe 2 years or so, is a health company. So yes, we're finally moving over from the technology sector over to the health sector. Now I'm going to give you guys a ton of information about this company that I think is going to be very successful in the future all throughout this entire video. So make sure that you stay and watch the video from beginning all the way to the end so you don't miss any key information, because I don't want to be all over the place. I'm just going to go through the full company as a whole. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel, hit that thumbs up button. If you want to help out just a little bit more, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future home runs or any future videos. But before we dive into it, this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. With those 2 free stocks, you can keep them inside the platform and decide to use it, or you can sell those 2 free stocks and withdraw all of your money. It's literally free money. Also, I left a link down in the description to Coinbase. That is by far the easiest way to buy and sell cryptocurrency. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. Right into it. The company is Hims & Hers Health, ticker symbol HIMS. This is a health company. I'm going to go into everything all the reasons why I believe that this company has a potential to double in the near future. Right now it is at $12.60. On the day it completely killed it. I wish I would have gotten on it maybe about a month ago, but it's up 12.17% on the day. On the week, it is up 38.46%, and on the month, it's up 25%. But even though it had this major recovery, this major growth over the last month, over the last 3 months, it is still down 32%. And it was 3 months ago up to $17. But if you take a look at it on the year, it had reached an all-time high of $23.99. Nothing fundamentally really changed about the company. It just had an all-time high of $24, and it's at $12 right now. So I believe at some time in the near future, Hims can reach its old all-time high of $24, and that would be us doubling our money from $12 to $24. So we have a little ways to go. Although it is up 25% on the last month, it is still a long ways away from its all-time high, being up 146%. So if we take a quick look, the market cap of this company is $2.05 billion. And a major reason that they took a big dip was that they missed their Q1 earnings for 2021, so they did not meet expectations. But I'm going to go into why I think this company has the potential to rebound. It's still fairly new publicly. If we look at the last 5 years, it went public in September 2019, so it's been out over a little over 2 years now, so it's still fairly new. Okay, so Hims Inc. Hims is a technology-driven platform providing a one-stop shop for wellness and personal care with medical-grade solutions for hair, skin care, sexual wellness, and more. Sexual wellness. The company was founded with the belief that most young men and women are not comfortable revealing their personal health issues. In fact, only 1 in 10 males feel comfortable talking about their looks and health with their doctor. And this is a big issue with a simple solution, as most personal care issues are treatable or preventable. So since 2017, several 100,000 customers have been discreetly shipped medication without ever having to visit a doctor office or a pharmacy. This is huge, guys. They are going the e-commerce route in the medical industry, and if they perfect this, turning simple vitamins and medication into the e-commerce route, they're going to dominate the market, guys, with the technology platform that they're providing with their medication grade pharmaceutical medicine. Okay, some of the big notable investors that they have Thrive Capital, Red Point Adventures, Funders Fund, Forerunners, IVP, and CPP Investment Board. All of these investment companies has a very strong track record. And now that they invested in Hims, there's no way that they're going to let this company run to the ground. And with it being at $12 right now, for me, this is a steal at this price, especially with it just being public for the last 3 years, and it's still somewhat early for this company. If they really master the e-commerce and eliminate going to the doctor, then this company really has the potential to even do more than just double. Okay, so one of the key points about most of their products is that you have to have ongoing usage of their products. So retention is high relative to other consumer brands, as the bulk of Hims products require daily usage in order to experience the positive effects continuously. So once they gain a customer, they're probably going to have that customer continuously for the next few years or so, right? Because that customer has to continue to come back to order the product in order to receive the effects of the drug. So they have to have proprietary technology to promote the efficiency of their product. So they have the system in place that notify doctors and patients before prescriptions runs out to ensure timely renewal, resulting in less churn, reducing cost of goods sold and lead time by leveraging distribution networks and the pharmacies to access lower drug prices and create distribution efficiencies, and eliminating dispensaries and risks associated with using third-party vendors. So let's take a look at some of their products. They have hair and skin, sex, well-being, and primary care and mental health. So with hair and skin, they have hair products and supplements that help with hair loss, and skin care products for healthier looks and skin. For sex, they have sex products including treatments for erectile dysfunction, birth control, and other medications to promote sex drive. For primary care and mental health, they have telemedicine platforms for treating certain illness and offering services to support individuals with mental health needs. And for well-being, they have supplements for essential nutrients. Also for well-being, there has just been an article that came out with A-Rod partnering with Hims, coming out with his own male skin makeup line. So I'm going to put up a quick screenshot right here. A-Rod is working with Hims and Hers team. He wanted to create a product that solved an issue he faced every day. He captioned in his post, "He realized as I was jumping from meeting to meeting, I needed something quick and easy in my routine to conceal blemishes or razor bumps." So he came out with his own male makeup line, partnering with Hims. So with A-Rod behind them, I know you guys see him on Shark Tank all the time. He acquired all of these other companies. He built those companies up to multi-million-dollar companies. So with him partnering with Hims, he's also going to help publicize Hims and Hers, and also help the company by having such a major name and brand associated with him. And he also knows how to manage his million-dollar companies. So with A-Rod partnering with Hims and Hers, this is also going to help their well-being. For their hair product, they have Mexamine drops, biotin gummy vitamins, shampoo, and Listerine pills. I can't name half this stuff. For skin, they have anti-aging kits, the acne kit, everyday moisturizer, morning glow serum, and other products. For sex, they have Cinefil, the FDA approved active ingredient in Viagra that treats erectile dysfunctions. Hey fellas, go ahead and get you some Cinefil. You can go all night. All right, so they have different vitals, medicines, and primary care. So you can find Hims and Hers right now in Target. They have over 21 different SKUs in 1,500 different stores, estimated with $20 million in annual net sales, with 47 to 54% gross margins. Now, with Hims and Hers, they're probably currently working on is that they're working on accepting health insurance for customers as a form of payment. If they could get that to go through to where your health insurance can pay for your Hims and Hers subscriptions for your prescriptions, this stock is going to definitely shoot at least from 12 to 15 to 18, hopefully all the way back up to $24 very, very soon. All right, so here's their gross sales over the last couple of years. In 2018, $48 million, 2019, $116 million, 2020, $168 million, 2021, expected to be $237 million, 2022, $300 million, 2023, 400 million, 2024, a little under $600 million. So after doing all the analysis on the company, they are showing signs of consistent growth. So they are showing consistent growth year over year. So that makes me feel a little bit more comfortable investing into this company while I can. So in conclusion, guys, Hims and Hers, the company is the first company that I'm saying that is a home run stock that is not inside the technology sector. What they're doing is eliminating the middleman, using e-commerces. They're advertising on Facebook. Usually you have to go to the doctor, get asked questions by the doctor, do the exam by the doctor, get vitals from the doctor, talk to them one-on-one, face-to-face, and then get prescribed something, have to wait a week to go pick it up. But when Hims and Hers, they eliminate all that. You go to the website, you sign up, you ask a couple questions, boom, you get approved, it's shipped to your door, and then it consistently gets shipped to your door. Depending on the medicine that you ordered, it could continuously get shipped to your door after every 90 days or after every 180 days. And that's how Hims and Hers is going to get the competitive edge on these companies by having their medicine consistently shipped to the house. Now, once they finally get approved to where they can accept insurance, where your My Health Insurance can pay for my prescriptions from Hims and Hers, now that is going to take the company to another whole level, because people are not going to be afraid to order from their site anymore, especially now that they know it's not really coming out of their pockets. So they're going to go on there and order the medicine that they really need, that they did not feel like going to the doctor for to talk to. Like if a man was having an erectile dysfunction problem, he wouldn't want to go to the doctor to talk about that. But now that he could just go to a website, type it in, and have it shipped to his door, bam. If a lady wanted to get on birth control, she probably wouldn't want to go to the doctor for all that. Now she could get on the website, order it up, bam, it's at her door, and it consistently comes every single month for her to use. Now right there, if they get that technology side down with joining with big names like A-Rod, Alex Rodriguez, down with getting approved to accept insurance, health insurance, to pay for the medication from that site, if all those come together, I'm going to be glad that I got in around $12. So this is the next home run stock that is not a technology company. We're finally moving over to the health sector, guys. But let me know what you think down in the comment section. Is it a good idea? Is it a bad idea? Do you already own it? Have you ever used their products before? Do they actually work? Let me know all of that down in the comment section. But other than that, make sure that you guys sign up for Webull, deposit $100 and get your 2 free stocks. Subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up button and the notification bell. Other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.